Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, all depending on where you are connected from. You are welcome to this presentation this evening. My name is Ebenezer Okuni, a very happy and fulfilled user of the use cases of the WITTY project. I'm excited to be anchoring this session today. I want to thank my mentor, Sir Dan, for giving me this opportunity to present today. You are going to have lots of value today. Just stay behind till the end, and you have lots of value. If you find yourself here today and today is your first time, you are blessed to be here. You are going to hear so much information that I can assure you can give you passive income and to give you financial freedom. There's no way you hear this information and you take action swiftly and be the same in the next few months to come. It is an amazing, amazing, amazing project. Our WITTY project is a combination of use cases that surely will give you financial freedom. So stay tuned and let's go into details very, very soon. Now, let me know where you are connected from. Give us your country, your state, or the region where you are connected from. Just write your country, your name, and then where you are connected from, the state where you are connected from. And again, please share this link. Share this link. We are live on Facebook, we are live on YouTube, but share these links everywhere on your WhatsApp groups, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on Telegram, on Facebook, and any social media handle you find yourself. Share, 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 and share. And then as we move on, as we go on, if there's anything you don't understand, please, or you have any question, please type your question in the comments. We have our able facilitators who are around and they'll be willing to answer your questions gladly. Please drop your questions there. Now join our Telegram group. It will be scrolling on the screen. So join our Telegram group. And if you want to talk to any facilitator personally, when you join our Telegram group, you scroll down and then you find their details there, their phone numbers. You chat them at any time and they will respond to you swiftly. It's also on Facebook. So you join either our Facebook, join both our Facebook group, which is the WITTY Club, and our Telegram group, which is our WITTY Club. You see the Telegram group on your screen now, so you can join and then you can have contact with any of our facilitators and ask questions, and then they will be glad to answer your questions and help you in your journey of financial freedom through this WITTY project. Thank you very much. And so we are moving ahead. We are going straight ahead to our presentation today. Let's move and let's see our amazing project, the WITTY project, breaking the third world fence. WITTY project, breaking the third world fence. Now, as I said before, the WITTY project is a network of use cases that is to help all our users to gain financial freedom. It is a group of use cases, network of use cases put together that can help its users get passive income and to gain financial freedom. To gain financial freedom, as Sedan taught us in financial education, he said financial freedom is when your passive income is more than your expenses. Your passive income being more than your expenses, then you have financial freedom. Now, what is passive income? Somebody may ask. Passive income is the income that comes to you without your direct involvement. So if you have to go to work from 9 to 5 or 8 to 5 to earn money, that is not passive income. That is active income. That needs your active involvement to earn money. That means you change your time and your value for money. But passive income doesn't need your time and doesn't need your value at the same time. It just comes to you without your effort. It's something you have built, and then the system gives you or earns you money without your involvement at any point in time. And so this is a project which is network of use cases that can help each and every individual of this witty project to get financial freedom through passive income. You build once and then you earn the money for the rest of your life. So it is like an ant building a net. The two examples will be an ant and a lizard. A lizard is involved actively in catching a house fly. That is an active income example of it. An ant will build a net, spend some time to build a net, and then the net he will go and rest, and then the net will catch the house fly, and they will come and take the house fly. So that is passive income. So that is what we present to you today. Witty project will bring you passive income. Now let's move forward. Now, as always, Africa has been behind in technology. And so we know that the world is moved by technology. The more technology inclined the country is, the richer the country is. And so because Africa is lacking behind technology, Africa is lacking behind economic growth. That is why a group of brainy men put together this project. And so the vision of this project is that they are playing a major role in breaking the third world fence by leveraging permissionless and trustless technologies. So with technology, we are leveraging on permissionless and trustless technology, breaking the third world fence. Now, our creed is Nigeria is our springboard, Africa is our platform, the world is our stage. Now, it's starting from Nigeria, it is going to dominate Africa, and then it will showcase it around the world. Now, if you are here for the first time in any of the African countries, you are so fortunate, you are so blessed to have yourself here. You can be the first person in your country. I am talking to you from the nation of Ghana, and I'm so excited about this project. It can't get better than this. You will see what I'm talking about. You will know why I'm so excited about this project. And so I count myself fortunate and blessed to have got in touch of this project. Now, our tagline is business beyond borders. Now, because it's technology and it's permissionless and it's trustless, it is business without beyond borders. And so you you don't need a presence of an office or somebody to assure you of anything. It is permissionless and trustless. Moving forward, you get to know details about it and to know why you don't need an office. You don't need to wait. You can start today, just today, and get it running. Now, our project is a network of use cases which forms our ecosystem. We have the automated trading system, crypto trading system, which trades on spot and leverage, decentralized peer-to-peer crypto lending platform, crypto staking platform, and we have crypto remittance platform, and all the other use cases all put together. Now, but we have a native token that powers this entire witty ecosystem. Our token is low-cap decentralized finance, which is built on the Binance Smart Chain. And its main purpose is to be used as a payment method for accessing all our products and services in our ecosystem. So moving forward, you get a detailed understanding of what we are talking about. Let's see the brains behind it. The great men that gave birth to this amazing project. We have Mr. Dan Ewa being our CEO and a co-founder and a chief marketing officer. Now, if you join our Telegram page and our Facebook pages, we have this whole presentation there. You can get to read a lot about our leaders and the brains behind this amazing project. Now, the next is Mr. Arinze Okafor, John. He's a co-founder and also the chief operations officer, an amazing man. You can go ahead into our Telegram page, download the presentation, and you can read a lot more about them. And then we have Linda Lessel as our Chief Financial Officer. And then we have Yatin Goyal. Yatin Goyal is a Chief Technology or Technical Officer. So as I said, you can go ahead and read a lot more about them. Let's look at our token structure, how our token is structured. Now, the WITTY project will issue and launch a 20 million maximum total supply token. 20 million maximum total supply. You cannot add and you cannot take away. 20 million total supply. That will be listed on public exchanges. Now, as I speak to you now, we are listed on authorized exchange and they are listed on P2P, B2B exchanges. Now, what it is that we have the USDT pair on both exchanges, and then we have BTC pairs on both exchanges. So if you want to trade in BTC or in USDT, you can check it out on any of these two exchanges, authorized exchanges and P2P, B2B exchange. Now, you can check it with the code is WTY. If you check WTY in any of these exchanges, I think you can find it and trade in any with this any trading pair. Now, our WITTY token, as I told you, they have a maximum supply of 20 million, and that token will be 20 million forever. As I speak to you now, we have a circulating supply of only 1 million. That is only 5% of the 20 million in circulation now. That is 1 million in circulation. And this 1 million is going to be in circulation for the next 2 years, meaning that this is going to be in circulation from now until 2023. Now, after 2023, 5% will be emitted into our ecosystem each year. So after 2023, 5% of the 19 million will be put in the ecosystem, and then the year after, 5% of the remaining will be put in the ecosystem. So it will take more than 50 years. We'll still have tokens which are not still in the ecosystem. So this is how our token structure is. This is structured in such a way that we'll have minimal tokens in supply, whilst our ecosystem or our use cases will give maximum demand for our token. That is how it is. So let's move on looking at our token distribution. As I told you already, 20 million in total supply, 1 million in circulation till 2023. The symbol is WTY and the token name is WITTY. WITTY. Now, let's look at our revenue distribution. Why am I talking about revenue distribution at this time? Why am I not talking about token distribution? Now, in all white papers, in most projects, you will see token distribution, because before the project even starts, the management might have maybe 40% or 30% put down for themselves, and this percent for advert, this percent for that, this percent for that. In this project, it is different. It is the opposite. None of the management members had a token, a single token, before the launch of this project. That is amazing. That is amazing. I joined the project not too long ago. I joined with some substantial amount of money, and then the management, having a large chunk of the token, they dump it on us. And a project that I invested more than $4,000. As I speak to you now, I have about $23 in my wallet. That is how some people are. This is different with WITTY. Management didn't have any. They didn't have any allocated for development of the use case. They didn't have anything allocated for marketing. They have anything for themselves or anything for example or anything. Now, it has to be earned either for development of use cases, for marketing, for core team, and then for company reserve. They all have to earn it. Now, how do they earn it? They have to earn it by the working of the use cases. As the use case are working, they are also working, and so they earn it just as we are all earning it. And the amazing part is that 40% of it goes to commissions for the users, And then 20% goes to development of our use cases and maintenance of our ecosystem. Now, you know that blockchain technology costs a lot of money. Costs a lot of development of blockchain technology costs a lot of money. Smart contracts and it costs so much money. So 20% goes to development of our use cases and the maintenance of the ecosystem, and then 50% goes into marketing, and then 15% goes into the core team. Goes to the core team. Now the project has to be working before the core team will earn money. And then 10% will also go to company reserve. This company reserve is for two basic purposes. First, it is for like a buttress to shoulder our token, WITTY token, if people decide to dump it. So if people decide to dump it, this 10% part of it will be used to absorb that token that are dumped. So it doesn't go below a certain percentage. The price will not drop below a certain percentage. So management has made up its mind that as the token is growing, based on how our use cases is, the token is supposed to be an uptrend token. But when it gets to a time that somebody or some people decide to dump the token, then they will use part of this company reserve to absorb that and then to hinge the price of the token so that it doesn't go too low. That is amazing. And I'll tell you the other parts that will be used, that we use the company reserve for a little bit later. And so we go all over again. 40% is for commissions. It cuts across all our use cases. 20% for development of our use cases and maintenance of our ecosystem. 15% for marketing. 15% for core team rewards. And then 10% for company reserves in digital assets. Now, let's look at our use cases. As we speak now, we have about 6 use cases. Some is already in progress. We have launched one of it. We have 2 of them launching very soon, and then we have the other 3 yet to be developed, but it will be developed very, very soon. Now, we have one, the automated crypto trading system, which I'm a happy user of that platform. We have lots of people excited about this project, and it is because of the WITTY automated crypto trading system. Now, we are making so much money, so much profit in the WITTY automated trading system, you can't afford to lose. There should be a fear of missing out. So you should FOMO and come and join us. Come and join and come and join and enjoy the amazing profits you are making. People are making serious profits. I will tell you a little bit later. Now we have the decentralized peer-to-peer crypto exchange platform launching in the month of September. In the next few days, it will be launching. We are entering September tomorrow, and so within September, management, our CEO will tell you or will tell all of us the specific date we are launching. Now it is on the testing stage. We are testing and looking out for bugs. If there are no bugs, then it will be launched very, very, very soon. Our crypto staking platform is launching in the month of September too. I think we should all be glad about that. That is totally ready, completely ready to start. But we are hoping to launch our peer-to-peer alongside our crypto staking platform. So we are launching 2 mega platforms in the month of September. And I can assure you it is going to be a huge, huge, huge progress, because knowing about our decentralized peer-to-peer crypto exchange platform and our crypto staking platform, you understand why I'm saying it's going to make a huge, 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 huge noise. But I'll tell you a little bit about that in detail a little later. Now we have a crypto payment gateway system, crypto remittance platform, lending platform, and then our WITTY fund. Let's take it one after the other and then explain to detail so that we get the understanding. Please, as I am moving on, if you have any questions, please type it in the comments below. Type in the comments, and our able facilitators will be glad to answer your questions for you. And again, Join our Telegram page. If you want to talk to any facilitator directly on phone, if you want to chat them, you have their numbers on the Telegram page, and then you can take their numbers and chat them and let them help you in any problem or any situation you find yourself. They will be more than glad to help you. As we are moving on, keep sharing and sharing this link. Let it go haywire, let it go worldwide, let it go everywhere. Let everybody get to know about this presentation and this amazing project going on. We are taking over Africa and the world. Now, the WITTY automated crypto trading system. Now, there are two undisputed facts about cryptocurrency. You cannot dispute it. You cannot argue about this. It is absolute. Cryptocurrency is the most profitable asset class by far. The most profitable asset class in the world by far. There's no asset class that comes anywhere near cryptocurrency. There's no asset class that comes anywhere near. If you look at the growth of Bitcoin in the last 10 years, it will tell you. And it didn't do it only with Bitcoin. We have Ethereum, we have BNB, you have so many coins that are doing so well. So well. So cryptocurrency is the most profitable asset class in the world by far. Initially, some time ago, people invested in gold, people invested in real estate, people invested in lands and all that. But as we speak now, comparing gold, real estate, fuel, or let's say energy, and then all the other asset class, commodities, and everything put together alongside cryptocurrency is by far the most profitable asset class. Now, cryptocurrency is also a good hedge against inflation. Now, when we say inflation, what do we mean? Inflation is the rate at which your money loses value. So if you have money in your hand, the rate at which it loses value is called inflation. Let me make a clear example for you to see. There were times you bought a phone, maybe an iPhone, for maybe $500. But it gets to a time the same iPhone is selling for maybe $1,000. It meaning that that amount of money, which is $500, has lost value. So you need a lot more to buy the same phone. It is the same with cars. So your money loses value at all times. Even foodstuffs that we used to buy. You used to buy an example, maybe amala or eba, maybe 200 naira of eba was very satisfying. You enjoy it and then you go your way. But as we speak now, that same quantity of eba, you might need 500 naira to buy. It didn't mean that the eba doubled in size or tripled in size or quadrupled in size. No, the same size, but you are using more money to buy it. What it means is that the value of your money has gone down, and so you need more money to buy that same amount of food. So that is what we call inflation. And so fiscal or fiat currency has the tendency of losing value at all times because every year government prints money year in and year out. And something that is not short in circulation will always lose value because what you have now, next year, government is going to print another money. Every country have government printing money every year, year in and year out. There's no year that you'll be told that this year the government of Ghana or Nigeria or any country for that matter didn't print money. Once monies are printed and pumped into the economy, inflation will come. Money will lose its value, and then you will need more to buy the same quantity of a particular good or service. Now, somebody will say, okay, cryptocurrency is also volatile. It goes up and it comes down, and so it is risky. That is what everybody says, and that is what people use to convince people that cryptocurrency is risky, is volatile. I remember I spoke to a very great man in Ghana who owns a bank. I spoke to him about an opportunity, and then he was excited. So getting to know about the details of the opportunity and see that it was backed by a cryptocurrency, he backed out. He told me cryptocurrency is too volatile and it can go up and it can come down. So I wouldn't want to trade myself with anything like Bitcoin. I didn't want to do anything like that. Now, unfortunately, I couldn't convince him because I had not had the information of how to tell him and strike the balance between fiat currency and cryptocurrency. But thanks to Sedan, who has taught us the difference between the two, I could have been able to convince him at this time. Because fiat currency has taken a nosedive. It has no choice. There's no way your currency was going to gain value. It will go down and down and down and down and down. But cryptocurrency, at least when it goes down, it comes up. Cryptocurrency corrects itself when it goes down, it will come up, and corrects itself when it goes up, it comes down. And that is the beauty of cryptocurrency. And in fact, that is the strength of cryptocurrency for traders. The volatility is the opportunity for traders to earn money, to buy when it's low and to sell when it's high. So cryptocurrency is a good hedge. Now, if I should ask you a question, if I'm giving you an opportunity of something that loses value, that will lose value forever, and then something that can lose value and gain value, which one will you choose? Your bet is good as mine. I think you will choose the one that loses value and gains value, because at least you have an option, equal option of the cryptocurrency or the good or service gaining value, in as much as it could lose value. So that is a progress for you. That is much, much better than something that has taken a nose that you cannot do, you don't have control over. So cryptocurrency is a good hedge against inflation. Now, if you've not entered cryptocurrency, this is a great opportunity for you. Take advantage of this WITTY project, and then take advantage of the whole lot of financial education on the WITTY Club. So when you join our WITTY Club, you get a whole lot of videos that will teach you a lot about financial education and cryptocurrencies. You are at the right place at the right time if you don't know about cryptocurrency. Now, somebody might say, oh, Bitcoin is now around $47,000 today. It is too late to get into cryptocurrency. Those are the people that could be millionaires or billionaires are already made. I don't know. I cannot make money out of it. No, 1,000 times no. This is an opportunity for you. The WITTY opportunity is same opportunity just as Bitcoin presented to people in 2009 and 2010 and 2011. It depends on your reaction towards the opportunity I'm talking to you about. So it cannot be too late for you to get to cryptocurrency now. For instance, saying that it's too late for you to get into cryptocurrency is as good as saying it's too late for you to use the internet. It's never too late. And in fact, if you are hearing cryptocurrency, you are among the very first few people in the world who are hearing cryptocurrency, because not lots of people knows about cryptocurrency, and even people are afraid because of the misinformation and misconception they have about cryptocurrency. So you are fortunate to be here now. So take action now. Take action now. After this presentation, talk to the person that's sent you the link, and then ask him how you can take advantage of this project. Let's move on. Now, one way of making money in cryptocurrency is through trading. Because of this volatility, once it goes down, traders will buy when it's down and sell when it's high. Now, that is a strong point of cryptocurrency. And so people know that there's a lot of money in trading and they would want to take advantage of it. But there is a problem. There's a problem. It requires a steep learning curve that if you are not proficient, you can lose all your money. I have lost money in cryptocurrency when I studied it and started trading by myself. Before you gain the experience, you lose and gain the experience. And so it is very, 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 very dangerous if you are not proficient, if you are not efficient in trading, and then you want to trade by yourself. But then there is a solution for you. The WITTY automated crypto trading system is the opportunity for you today. You can make money. It is a beginner-friendly, profit-conscious, and hands-free way of trading and making money. Hands-free. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to trade yourself. You don't have to go look out for the coins, which coins can gain value, which coins can lose value. You don't have to have the stress of going through the points and stress of losing money and emotionally attached to your trades and all the others, and knowing when to close, when not to close, when to enter, when to get out of the market, the fear, the manipulation, and everything. You don't need to go through that trouble. I remember those times I was trading. There are times I will not sleep the whole night. The whole night. Now, thanks to the WITTY automated trading system, I sleep and I sleep all night, knowing that trade is going on my behalf. Now, before I even started this presentation, I got to know that there were open trades, which is making good profits for us. So as we are going through this presentation now, you know that your trades are open and you are making profits. It's so amazing. You can't just sit there and look at us and just listen and go away. You have to join us. Jump into the boat. We are going. Jump into the boat. Now, why should you choose the WITTY automated trading system? Number one, you don't have to know how to trade. Number two, you don't need to give anybody your money. Now, this is not like a system that will tell you, come and invest $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $10,000 in packages, and then we pay you 2% or 0.5% every day. You give your money to somebody and then you have sleepless nights. This thing has happened to me so many times. I give my money to a company, and then for the period that I have my money with them, I don't sleep. It is serious. It's stressing. It is very, 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 very stressing. Now, with the WITTY automated trading system, you have your money in your own Binance account, which the company cannot withdraw. They don't have any access to it. And so you don't give your money to anybody to trade for you and to make profit for you. Just that, and then your capital never stops working for you. Your capital in your account keeps working for you as long as your subscription is active. It keeps trading for you day in and day out. And then nobody shares profit with you. Once you make a profit, nobody shares with you. If it is 100%, 200%, 300%, 500%, 50%, any percentage you make of profits you make, it is all 100% yours. Now, there's absolutely no contract. There's no contract at all. You don't have any contract with anybody. It doesn't expire that, oh, your capital is expiring at this point. No, you don't have any contract with anybody. At any point in time, you can walk away with all your profits and decide not to do the automated trading system again or whatever you want. But one thing I know for sure, Oliver Twist, you always ask for more. Once you are making profits, you want to keep making the profits. Now, it is impossible to be scammed. It is absolutely impossible. There's no way you'll be scammed. There's no way you'll be scammed because you don't have your money with the company or the system. You don't give your money to anybody. So there's no way you'll be scammed. Now, it is permissionless and trustless. You don't need to even ask the question, how do I trust the system? Because you don't give your money to the system. It is permissionless. It is trustless. You don't need to trust anybody. And then you might ask, oh, where is your office? I have to know your office so that I can work there, so that I can trust you. I can see you. If you have a physical office, then I can do business with you. This is trustless and permissionless. You don't need to trust us because your money is kept with you. There's no point in time you have to leave your company, your money with the company. That is how it is. It is so amazing. Now, there are a few steps that you have to take to get started with a WITTY automated trading system. Now, first, you have to subscribe to the WITTY automated trading system. With the regular pack, it is $100 for a month. You pay with BNB. And then the smart pack, it is $200 for the period of 3 months. So it is very wise to choose the $200, which gives you 3 months, 1 month extra. Because the $100 gives you 1 month, $200 will give you 3 months. And the $200 is paid with our WITTY token. It's paid with our WITTY token. Now, after you have subscribed, then you fund your Binance account with your trading capital. You put your trading capital in your Binance account. You have to open a Binance account, verify, and do everything that is necessary that requires you to trade on Binance, and then you fund your Binance account. And then you link your Binance API from your Binance to our system. So the API is a connection between your Binance account and our system. And then after that, you set your simple configuration, mostly only 2 clicks away from trades. So very simple clicks. You can go wrong with it. Our configurations are very simple. A 5-year-old, 10-year-old can just configure our templates. Just 2 clicks, and then you are done. You can't go wrong with it. Very, 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 very simple as A, B, C, D. Now, you will enjoy a monthly winning rate of about 85%. If we take 100 trades, you can be assured that we will get a profit of 85 trades. 85 trades will close in profits, and then about 15 trades will close in a loss. Now, let me tell you one thing. We are not going to tell you we are not going to lose a trade. No. We have professional traders trading for us. They have years of experience in trading. Some have 30 years and even more. And then some have traded with cryptocurrency for over 10 years. And so they know every little bit and every experience in cryptocurrency. They have seen the bears and the bulls every year. They know, they have experienced it day in and day out for a whole lot of time. And we have them trading for us. We have three trading desks. 3 trading desks trading for us at this moment. Now, let me tell you one thing. Our traders are very conscious of risk management. At no point will they take all your money to a trade. Now, they know that based on their experience, any amount of money they put into a trade, there's risks associated with it. You can lose that money or you can gain profit. And so at no point are they going to use the whole amount or the whole of your capital to put in one trade. So our traders takes maximum 5% of your capital. That is why we have 3 trading desks trading for us. So if they take 5% each day, that will be 15% of your capital trading for you. So that is because of risks management. Risk management. They know that first they have to preserve your capital first, and then they will have to try and make profit for you. So if anything goes wrong, you will still have your capital secured. So you can be sure there's no point that our traders will take 100% of your capital into a trade. So risk management is taken seriously with our traders because of the vast experience they have in trading. And you can be assured that they will make profits for you. Let's see, for instance, from the 17th to 18th to the 7th, from the 12th to the 17th of August, we had trade signals and then profits without leverage. Because we are trading now on the Binance futures, without leverage was 27.55%. With leverage, because we are trading with 20x, and so we got profit of 555%. Now, this is 555% on the trading capital they traded with, not on the whole sum of your money, the whole totality of your money. No, it is 551% on the capital, the part of your capital they took out to trade. That is how it is. And then again, in the same reality, we made 2.78% losses without leverage. That is 55.8% loss. Now, it is also not a loss on your whole capital. It's also a loss on the little amount of money that they took to trade, which is maximum 5%. So you can see that they are doing everything possible to minimize the losses and the amount of money you lose, but will maximize the profits you make. So eventually, you see that you are making profits more than losses. And so you see that you are making profit at the long run. Now, we have people who have made 100%, 120%, 150% since for some time now. And then we have people who have made 80%, 60%, have made 50%, 60%. Now, it is amazing. Everybody who is on our platform has made profit. Everybody, every single person who is on our platform, who is a user, can testify that he has made profit. He has made profit. So everybody's a happy user of our system. Myself, I've made so much profit. That's why I'm happily presenting this opportunity to you. Now, management has told us that their vision is to get 7 more traders in addition to the 3 traders. So at a time, we could have 10 trading desks trading for us. We could have 10 trading desks trading for us. Now, as I told you earlier on, some of our traders have had 30 years experience in trading, in Forex trading. They have so much experience. And then in cryptocurrency for the last 10 years. So they are experts in trading, everything trading, either in commodity, in every aspect, all around, they are experts. They are experts, including cryptocurrency in the last 10 years. So management has it that their vision is to get 7 more traders in addition to the 3 that we have, so that we have 10 trading desks trading for us. Now, the vision is that we should double our trading capital every 4 days. Can you beat that? Can you beat that? The vision is that we should double our trading capital every 4 days. For instance, so if you started with $1,000, when we are having 10 traders trading for us, after 4 days, you should have $2,000. And if you leave the $2,000 in your account, because it compounds, after 4 days, you should have $4,000. That is the vision of management. And one thing I know for sure, these management members, whatever they put their mind to, they get. They are goal getters. They don't miss the target. Once they target, they are going to get this, they will get it. So as we increase in numbers, then our management members are also increasing the number of traders. So it is time for you to join us. It is time for you to join. You can't afford to miss this opportunity. Some few months down the line, you will see that we have 10 traders trading for us, and we are hitting it, doubling it, 4 days, doubling it. And so you should be a member or a user of this WITTY automated trading system to enjoy this amazing, amazing benefits. Now, as I told you earlier on, this project is a project that is programmed to give you passive income. Now, if you set up your templates and then you are trading with us, the profit is passive income. It doesn't involve your personal activity. Either you are sleeping, you are awake, or you have traveled, you are taking a vacation. It doesn't affect your trade results because somebody is doing the trading for you. So that is passive income, one. And all our use cases also has effect on the price of our token. So if we have our WITTY token, as people are buying it to subscribe every 3 months, the demand of the token is going high, and so the price will go high. And so that is passive income too. And then I will tell you, it gets more interesting. If you are happy about your trading results, you can't keep it to yourself. You have to talk to your family and friends about it. And that also has a passive income that will give to you. So only one use case can give you 3 channels of passive income. Amazing. Amazing. Let's go on to our referral system and see how you can earn passive income also from there. Now, if you referred anybody, remember I told you that when people subscribe, based on our revenue distribution, 40% will go into commissions. 40% will go into commissions. So out of the 40%, if you refer anybody, you earn 20% on the first level. So if you refer 10 people, you can refer unlimited wide. You can refer unlimited wide as many people as possible. You can refer 500 people, 1,000 people, 2,000 people. Head Saddam said his vision is to refer 50,000 people long before we launched. And initially, I thought, this is quite incredible. But getting to know him, I know he is capable. I know he's capable. So you can target that you refer 1,000 people, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000 people. It's a goal. When you put your mind to it, you can achieve it. So all the people you refer personally, you earn 20% out of the 40% in the commission that goes in the commission. And then it gets even better. You can earn from the second generation through down to the 10th generation too. It is not only people you have personally brought that you are going to earn on them. If you earn on the people that you have brought, the people that they bring, and the people they also bring and bring following up to the 10th generation or the 10th level, you can earn money there. Now, there's a qualification criteria. How is it like? The second level, you should have referred 3 people to qualify to earn on the second level. And then 3% will be open on the second level for you. And then if you have referred a total of 6 people, then the third level will be open for you. $3 will be 3% will also be added. Then you earn 3% on third generation. Then if you have referred a total of 9 people, then the fourth level also open for you, making you earn 3% on the fourth level. If you have referred a total of 12 people, then the fifth level will be open for you. Then you earn 5% on the fifth level. If you have referred a total of 20 people, the sixth level will be open for you. You earn 6% on the sixth level. A total of 25 people referred by you, the seventh level will be open for you. You earn 7%. And then a total of 30 people referred directly by you, then the eighth level will be open to you. That is 10% on the eighth level. And then if you have referred 40 people in total, then the ninth level will be open for you, and then you earn 10% on the ninth level too. And then if you have referred 50 people in total, you're going to earn 30% as the 10th level opens for you. Now, let me tell you something that is so amazing, it's very important. Now, we know that in business, your efforts, your personal efforts cannot override the efforts of all your team. Most of the time, eventually, if you have referred 50 people, you see that because your team are also referring, the deeper it goes, the wider it becomes. And so in most network marketing compensation plans, the wider or the deeper it goes, because the larger number of people comes in, the deeper it goes, the percentages get smaller. So in this case, they would have said maybe from the first level, you take 20%, second level 3%, third level 3%, fourth level 3%, fifth level 2%, sixth level 1% of the 10th level. That is the most likely way compensation plans are. Or they will turn 30% on the first level and then small percentages from the second to the 10th generation, because they know that the deeper it goes, the more people it becomes. But WITTY compensation plan is so generous, so much so that the deeper and the more the number increases, the more the percentage also increases for you. Imagine the number of people you have on your 10th generation, so much more than what you have on your first generation, done by your own effort. But on your 10th generation, this compensation plan is paying you 30% on your 10th generation. This is amazing, and this is unheard of. It is very rare to see such a compensation plan. So this is an opportunity for you to earn passive income. All you have to do is that share your WITTY trading results with your family and friends. You don't need to convince them. Share their good news with them, and they will join you. Automatically, you will earn passive income. So as they join you, they will also go and share their WITTY results. And as it gets better, and as it gets sharper, and as it gets better each and every day, they will also be sharing their trading results. day in and day out, and then your team will be growing wider and deeper. So all that you do is that don't talk too much. Don't try explaining the paper and the use case and everything. Just show them your witty results and then bring them to connect to our YouTube and our Facebook presentations. Just show them your witty results, the trading results. Show the trading result. Numbers don't lie. Take time and then tell them how much you started with, and then tell them how much profit you have made. Some have made 80%, 100%, 120%, 60%, and a whole lot. It is difficult for somebody to see the evidence and to say no. It is difficult. It's very, very, very difficult. Let me tell you, a lot of people has money, large chunk of money. They want a place to invest it. They don't have a place to invest it. If you don't talk to people about it, you don't know they have money, they want a place to invest. So keep talking, keep showing your result. Just show your result. Let the result do the job for you. So you show the results, they get interested, and then you give them our YouTube link for them to join our presentation, and that is it. So if you are joining today, you can just join. You have attended this presentation today, you can just join and then just show your trading results and then bring them to listen to our presentation, and the job is done. You will earn passive income for the rest of your life as long as Witty Project is alive. I can assure you are going to make a great deal of money. This is an opportunity to have financial freedom and to kill poverty at once, and to break the third world fence that has hovered over the head of African or the African continent for unlimited number of years, countless number of years. We are breaking that third world fence. This is only one of our use cases. One of our use cases. This same use case will give you passive income in the compensation plan, will give you passive income in the trading because you have no direct effort to make in the trading, and then it can give you passive income if you own a Witty token, because people will be using our token to subscribe. So one use case gives you 3 passive incomes. This is not the end of our use cases. Now let's move on and see our other use cases. Our Witty decentralized peer-to-peer exchange. I am so excited about this one, which is launching in the month of September. I can't wait. I just can't wait. I know this will give us a whole lot of people in our business. Now, let me tell you, it is a platform where you can exchange cryptocurrencies to fiat and fiat also to cryptocurrency. So we support these cryptocurrencies. We have BTC, which is Bitcoin, BNB, which is Binance Coin, ETH, which is Ethereum, USDT, which is Tether, and then WCY, which is our native token, Witty token. Now, this is how it works. This is a decentralized peer-to-peer exchange, the first in Africa and among the first in the world. So we are part founders. We are trailblazers. We are beginners. We show people the way for them to follow. Our tech team is so intelligent and so wise, and so they did a lot of research to know how to do this. So amazing, so amazing, and they have done so amazing work to bring us this great opportunity. Now, this work in such a way that you have your own secret or private key that is kept to yourself. Nobody owns it. Nobody shares it with you. And so this is decentralized. What you have in that wallet is for you. It is not sitting on a centralized platform. So nobody can have access to your money. Your money will be in your wallet, which you have the private key. Even if you lose the phone or the gadget you have the wallet on, because you have the private key, you can generate the wallet again and you have your tokens or your coins in it. So if you have any of these cryptocurrencies in that wallet, it is secured, it is decentralized, it is for you. But you can trade on the exchange. Exchanging any of these cryptocurrencies for fiat or exchanges fiat for any of these cryptocurrencies. It is amazing. The way it works, it brings buyer and a seller together. Now, a seller would want to sell Bitcoin and a buyer would want to buy Bitcoin. So when they agree on a price, then the seller would only send the amount of Bitcoin he's selling to the buyer onto the platform, and then the buyer will send the money to the seller, and the seller will confirm that he has received the money, and the system will release the money to the buyer. Very simple, very, very simple, and it's very, very short. But just as any cryptocurrency transaction, there are fees attached to it. There is no cryptocurrency transaction without a fee. And so this is the same with our decentralized peer-to-peer exchange system. So there will be a little fee that will be charged in all our transactions. And that is where it gets better and sweet for us. Let's move on and see the strong points of our peer-to-peer exchange system. First, let me tell you, it is non-custodial. Non-custodial, it is very, very safe. Not even management or the government of any nation can freeze or get a hold of your money. Once you have this wallet, no government, not even the owners of this platform can have access to your money. It is non-custodial. Non-custodial. It means that you keep your private key for yourself. You don't share the private key with anybody. Now, number two, it is global. Now, we support the most popular languages around the world. The 5 most popular languages around the world: English, French, Spanish, Mandarin, and Hindi. Now, anybody around the world can associate with at least one of these languages. And so there's nowhere in the world that you find a single person who knows about cryptocurrency who cannot trade on our peer-to-peer exchange. It is amazing. Amazing. So we appeal to the majority of the people around the world. Now, number 3, we currently have the most lucrative pay plan of all exchanges. We have the most lucrative pay plan, which I will explain to you in a jiffy. And then number 4, we have our global referral link, which is an added advantage. Now, what do we mean by our global referral link? Now, if you got into our WITTY automated system, and then you have introduced other people into our WITTY automated system, once you are active in our WITTY automated system, you will earn passive income in all our use cases. Anytime any of your downlines uses any of our use case. So, for instance, you are in the automated trading system, you are not on our peer-to-peer platform. You have not even downloaded our wallet. But some of your downlines goes ahead to download the wallet and then buys Bitcoin or transact on the platform. Even though you are not on the platform, but because of the global referral link, you will earn money from them. From the fees they paid, you earn money there. That is amazing. That is amazing. So you do one work and then you earn from all our use cases. It is amazing. Now, number 5, our remittance feature is an added advantage. I'll tell you about our remittance feature. It's amazing, amazing, and amazing. And it's a great advantage for us. It is not common to know or common to find in exchanges. So I will tell you a lot about that. So anybody who takes this business a little seriously and give yourself 6 months or 1 year telling people, showing your results and telling them how our peer-to-peer system works, you will settle your financial goals once and for all. Once and for all. Why am I saying that? Now, let's see the commissions that can be paid to you in the fees that your people or your downlines will pay in for transactions. Now, on the first level, you can refer unlimited numbers on the first level, but you are going to be paid 3 levels deep. First level, second level, and then third level. Now, on the first level, any fee that your people pays, you are going to earn 40%. For instance, if you have a downline that buys Bitcoin and pays a $10 fee, you are going to earn $4 for yourself. That is amazing. Amazing. Now, on the second generation, the people your downlines brought, you didn't refer them yourself. You brought somebody and the person brought another person. You might not even know the person. You might not have met the person anywhere in this world. But once you brought your downline and your downline brought that person, if that person transacts on our platform and pays a fee, for instance, of $10, you're going to earn 15% on the $10, which is $1.5. And then on the third level, on your third generation, if any of their downlines transact a business and they are paying $10, for example, as fees, you are going to earn 5%, which is 50 cents. And so you are going to earn a whole lot of money. Now, let's look at how the structure looks like. Let's make a typical example to put a picture to it so that you can see it clearly and why I am telling you this can settle your financial difficulties once and for all. Now, if you refer 50 people in this peer-to-peer exchange, remember there are no subscription for peer-to-peer. You only have to be active in 30 days. For every 30 days, you should have made at least one transaction. That is all it takes from you. Either you have bought Bitcoin or bought or sell any of our tokens that is tradable on our platform. It makes you active. That is all you need. And so you can refer as many people as possible. Now, cryptocurrency is growing. The whole number of people, the young generation who are getting to know more about cryptocurrency. So a lot more people are coming into cryptocurrency. So you can refer as many people as possible to come and transact on our platform. Now, let's say, for instance, eventually you have 50 people that you have signed up. I make this example always. We have signed 50 people, and then the whole month they all made maybe a transaction and you earned only $1. Let's be very conservative. Let's not say $4. Let's say $1. Only $1 on all of them. That is $50. You say, oh, I referred 50 people, $50 is small money. Yes, I know it's small money, but it gets better. Because you referred 50 people, they would also want to refer other people to know about the platform so that they could also earn commission. So let's say they also earn 50 people. So they are all earning also $1. They earn $50. But you know something, because you referred the 50 people, they all refer 50, making 2,500 people. So if they are giving you only $1 out of the fees they paid for the whole month, that is $2,500 for you. That is a little good, right? It gets better. It gets even more exciting on the third generation. Let's see. On the third generation, if they also refer 50 people, that would be about 250,000 people. And let's say you are earning $1 on each one of them, that would be $250,000. Let me tell you, I have seen this kind of money before in network marketing. It is not far-fetched. It is not over our heads. It's not beyond reachable. It's not, it is very attainable. If you take this seriously in 6 months, in 1 year, I can tell you, you can surpass this target I've told you about. It is very simple to surpass it because I know people who network marketing pays them $500,000, $1 million, $1.4 million. It is very, very simple, and it is much, much more easier here. Earning residual income or passive income is so simple with this peer-to-peer system. You just have to tell people about this system, and that is all. They just download our wallet and save, keep their private key, and start trading. Just they should buy or sell any of the cryptocurrency listed on our platform once a month. But I can assure you, some of us, we trade cryptocurrencies every week. And so some of that, we are going to do transactions day in and day out, day in and day out. So you have people making maybe 10 transactions, 15 transactions, 20 transactions in the whole month. Can you imagine how much it was going to look like? I can assure you, if you put effort in this, you are going to surpass the target, as I told you, or the example that I just showed you. It is possible to earn $1 million in this project. $1 million every month. Very possible and very easy to do. Just have to be focused and serious about it. That is very simple. Now, let's see how this use case also affect our WITTY token. Now, the first passive income here is your referrals paying you money without your efforts. Their transaction fees pays you money. So if you have built it, it is going to pay you money forever as long as they are trading on your platform. Number two, the effect of this peer-to-peer exchange on our WITTY token. Now, the constant in all our use cases is our WITTY token. Take a look at it. Our WITTY token is the power, is the currency that powers all our use cases, and is the constant thing through all our use cases. So you cannot go wrong with our WITTY token. Now, anybody that transacts on our peer-to-peer would have to pay a fee. But if you want to pay your fees with WITTY token, you have 25% less that you have to pay. You will pay. Now, for instance, if I bought Bitcoin and I have to pay a $10 fees and I want to pay with Bitcoin, I will pay the full $10. Now, but if I opt to pay the $10 or the fees with WITTY token, I will pay $7.5. That is 25% less. So me, that I want to save money always, what I will do is that I will rather use the WITTY token to pay fees, either or rather than using the Bitcoin or the token that I transacted in to pay a higher fee, because I'm going to save 25%. I'm going to save 25%. And just like me, a whole lot of people that would transact on our platform who want to use our WITTY token to pay their fees. And you know what? People who trade in cryptocurrency would want to act smart. And so they want to accumulate the WITTY token in their wallets and keep them so that they'll be using it to pay fees. So that by the time the WITTY token is skyrocketing, it's going into the moon, it will not be too hard for them to buy. If they buy a large chunk of it earlier, they will save a whole lot of money. They will use that quantity with using small amount of money to buy that quantity. They will use it to pay for their fees for a very long time. So a whole lot of people that will be on our platform trading on our peer-to-peer system would buy WITTY token and keep it in their wallets. And this is an organic demand for our WITTY token. Now, the more the demand, the higher the price will be. So every one of our ecosystem is programmed in such a way that it will have a direct influence on the price of our WITTY token. So our WITTY token, as I told you earlier, is more likely going to be an uptrend coin, an uptrend coin. It will be ever going up and up and up, because the one who wants to buy a subscription doesn't care how much somebody's quoting for the price of WITTY. All that he needs is $200. So he buys it and then goes and subscribe. The one who is paying for fees wants to save 25%. So he doesn't care how much you're selling the WITTY. He just comes and buys it and saves 25% and pays his fees. So it is amazing. So demand will be very, very high. And then that same ecosystem or that same use case would also make supply of the WITTY token short on the exchange, because the people that are buying will keep the tokens in their wallet to pay full fees. Once the token is kept in their wallet, it is taken off from the exchange. So the supply on the exchange will reduce. Once the supply reduces and the demand goes high, the price will go high. It is by default, it will go high. So the first use case, which is the WITTY automated trading system, is by default creating demand for our WITTY token. And then also, let me tell you one thing about it. The part of the commission that goes to management will not come onto the exchange anytime soon. So that also it is going into hiding, that is taken from the exchange. So the WITTY token will be short in supply on the exchange at all times, whilst our use cases will be bringing demand for it. So I tell you, I cannot overemphasize it. This is the most exciting part for me, WITTY token, I don't take it lightly at all. I don't joke with my WITTY token at all. If you give any opportunity that you say I can earn one WITTY token, I will take it up. No matter what the task you give me, I will take it up, because I know that eventually one WITTY token will turn into something else. Now, let me tell you a story. The guy that wrote the Ethereum blockchain was writing articles in the earlier stages of Bitcoin and was being paid, I think, very few Bitcoins in a month. Very, very few Bitcoins. And at that time, I think the whole Bitcoin that he was being paid was worth $0.07. Now, that same Bitcoin has allowed him to invest and then was able to write the Ethereum blockchain, and now he's a billionaire. That is the same way I think about our WITTY token. So if you give me an opportunity to earn one WITTY token, I don't take it lightly. So for instance, if somebody does you one Bitcoin in 2009, today you should be worth $47,000 and more. That is how amazing it is. And that is the same opportunity that the WITTY project is presenting to you today. So you have to take advantage of our WITTY project and get on board. Now let's tell everybody about our projects that are working, those that are launching very, 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 very soon. Let's move on to our next use case, which is our staking platform. Now, it gets better and better and better as the presentation goes on. It is so refreshing doing presentation and knowing the ability of this project to give you financial freedom. The staking platform is a platform that allows people to stake and deposit their WITTY tokens for reward. Now, if you are like me, you bought WITTY token at the earlier stage, or you will buy WITTY token and would want to keep because you believe in this project and you want to keep the token for a long time. Now, let me tell you something. If you want to succeed in cryptocurrency, you should be ready to hold cryptocurrency for the long term. If you want to succeed and to make great deal of money in cryptocurrency, you should be ready to hold cryptocurrency for the long term. Cryptocurrency is for those who hold for the long term. The longer you hold this, the higher the probability of you succeeding. So this staking platform is for those who believe in our WITTY token and are ready to hold for a long term. Now, the system is going to reward you for holding our cryptocurrency for a long term. For instance, holding it for 1 year. Me personally, I have a target price I will sell my token. I will not sell a single of my token below that price. And so I would want to hold for the long term. I know you also have the same idea. You want to hold your WITTY token and sell at a very high price. And so you want to hold for the long term, because this is your opportunity to make it one time in life. This is your opportunity to become financially free. This is your opportunity to get the things you have been dreaming of for yourself. So this staking platform has two things that it could do for you. Number one, it will definitely increase the quantity of your WITTY tokens if you stake them. And then number two, it is surely going to allow our WITTY token to gain value. How is it going to allow our WITTY token to gain value? Now, the thing is that all the tokens that will be staked will be taken out from the exchange, from the market. And so supply on the market will be 1 million minus the tokens which are staked. So all the tokens that are staked will be out of the market. So it will create natural shortage for our token. And the more the shortage is created, the more the price will go up. So that is one way of you deciding to affect the price of your WITTY token. And then how do you get WITTY tokens added to your tokens? Now, we have packages. We have silver package, gold package, platinum package, diamond package. Now, if you buy any of these packages, you get rewards. Now, if you buy silver package, the silver package is $500. At the time you are staking, you should buy the package of $500 with your WITTY token. So if you have WITTY token and then you bought $500, that is the silver package, you'll be earning 0.015% every day. And then added together in the month will be 0.45%. And then added together in a year will be 5.4%. So if you stake $500, you have 5%, 5.4% of the tokens added to your tokens. So your tokens will increase in quantity, in numbers. Now, all withdrawals are all monthly, all rewards are withdrawable every month. You can withdraw it every month, or you can decide to keep it for the long term, or you can decide to even compound it by buying other packages or the same package that you bought. Now, all state tokens will be locked for 1 year, but the rewards can be withdrawn at any time of your choice. The rewards can be withdrawn at any time of your choice. Now, the second package is gold package, which is $2,000. So if you use your WITTY token to buy this package, which is $2,000, you are going to earn 0.07% every day, which will be 2.1% in a month, and then in a year it's going to be 25.2%. And again, monthly rewards are withdrawable, but the capital is locked for the whole year. Now let's go to the platinum. Platinum, you bought with your WITTY token $5,000 worth, and then your daily reward will be 0.2%, and then cumulatively at the end of the month you should have earned 6%, and then put together in the year you should have earned 72%. 72%. It is amazing. So for instance, if you bought 5,000 tokens, which is maybe, let's say $10 per token, $10 per token at $5,000, that would be 500 tokens. 500 tokens. Now, if you take it every month, you are going to earn 6%, and at the end of the year, that is 72%. 72% out of 500 is going to be 360. 360. So let's say we have two people, somebody that has 500 tokens that didn't take it, had it in his trust wallet. At the end of the year, we'll still have 500 tokens. But you, at the end of the year, you that staked it and have 72% profit added to your tokens will have 500 tokens plus 360, making 860 tokens. Now, for instance, you all bought it at $10. But at the end of the year, let's say our WITTY token, let me be very conservative about it again. Let's say our WITTY token is $100. So the 500 tokens will now be $50,000, whilst you having 860 tokens will be worth $86,000. Look at the difference. The difference is $36,000. So it is very prudent to stake your WITTY token and to earn more tokens. That is amazing. 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 Now, the Oga pata of them all, the diamond, which I admire every day. I just can't wait to get a hold of this. I'll do everything possible. I know you also do everything possible to get a hold on this package, the diamond package. Don't miss it. Now, the diamond package is $10,000 worth of WITTY by the time you are taking it. And then you will be paid daily of 0.45%. And then monthly put together, it will be 13.5%. And then yearly put together, it will be 162%. Amazing. 162%. So, for instance, if you bought the WITTY token for $10 and you have 1,000 tokens making $10,000 at the time of staking, at the end of the year, the 1,000 tokens, you will get another 1,620 tokens in addition to it, making 2,620 tokens. Amazing. 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 In fact, I don't know what to say. If you have the opportunity of putting $10,000 in this WITTY project and taking it, I can assure you, you will laugh. You will so laugh after 1 year. So let's say the same condition, if the WITTY token is maybe $100 after the 1 year, $100 times 2,620 is about $262,000. 262,000. Let me tell you, if you didn't take it and it's $100, you'll be worth $100,000. But if you take it within under the same period, you would have earned $262,000. $162,000 difference between the person that didn't take it and the one that's taken. Why won't you take your WITTY token? Now, let's see why I am very sure that the price of the WITTY token will go very high. Now, first and foremost, with our automated trading system, people need $200 every 3 months to subscribe. Automatic demand for it, because nobody wants to miss the profits he's making with the automated trading system. So once it expires, the person will renew. Once it expires, the person will renew. Once it expires, the person will renew. And the person doesn't care about the price he's getting the WITTY token. All that he knows is that he needs $200 to reactivate his account and then start earning from the trades. Number two, it is amazing. The part of the commission that goes to management, it's creating shortage of the supply of the WITTY token on the exchange because it's not coming on the market anytime soon. So that is taken away. That is number two. And then number three, if you come to our peer-to-peer system, everybody that trades, or almost everybody that will trade on our platform, will want to buy the WITTY token and then use it for transaction. So once you are using that for transaction, it means that the price of the WITTY token is going to go high because there will be demand at all times. They don't care how much you are selling the WITTY token. They will always go ahead and go and buy because they want to pay 25% less. So that is natural demand for our WITTY token. That is it. And that will make the price go high. And then more people also want to buy more and keep it in their wallet so that they will use it later on to pay their fees. Because they wouldn't want to always go and buy, and then when they are withdrawing from the exchange will take fees. But they want to buy a larger quantity and keep it in their wallets. And that is also taken away from the market. So supply is getting smaller and smaller. And then the biggest of all is the staking. Of all the tokens that will be bought and staked, is taken from the market for a period of a whole year. It will not come to the exchange for a period of 1 year. This is amazing. So there will be a shortage or very limited supply of our WITTY token on the exchange. Please, 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 if you are hearing this and you don't have WITTY token, if you don't have WITTY token, you are missing out. You are missing out. It is not over yet. There's yet an opportunity for you. An opportunity for you. Because of that, management has made it a point to do us a favor of doing a private sale for the community. Because the WITTY project is by the community and for the community. And so management wants the community members to own a share of this WITTY project. Now, the share of the WITTY project you will hold is the quantity of your WITTY token that you have in your Trust wallet or you have staked. So if you want to say that you own a share in this WITTY project, some time to come, when WITTY has turned into $1 billion project, your WITTY token will show your part or your share in the WITTY project because it has direct link to the price of the WITTY token. The value of the WITTY project has the direct link with the price of the WITTY token. If the WITTY project is valued at $1 billion, at least the WITTY token will be $1,000 for one. So it has direct relationship. And so this project, amazing project that is going to go places, that's going to go all around the nations of Africa and the world, that people are going to know about it. Please, you have the opportunity to own a part now. It is a community project, as management has been always saying. It is a community project. but your share is the quantity of WITTY tokens you have. So management will do a private sale in the month of September. As I said yesterday, this thing cannot be overemphasized because I can't afford to hear anybody say, I missed the opportunity. I can't afford to hear that. I can't just miss this opportunity. And I can't imagine letting you miss this opportunity. I don't know how I should say for you to know how important it is for you to own the WITTY token. It is so important. It is so important. And as it is, the value of the WITTY token the management will sell in the month of September will be the least price you ever see the WITTY token. Because we are launching our peer-to-peer and we are launching our staking. And then that will take off and bring more demand on our WITTY token. So the price management will give us will be the last time you see the WITTY token at that price. You cannot have that opportunity twice, please. So organize yourself, organize your team, tell everybody, put people together, tell people about this opportunity. Anybody you love, in fact, if anybody hits you, tell the person. Let everybody take advantage of this private sale that is coming up in September. Buy some. Buy. Let's surprise management by hitting the hard cap. They have a soft cap of $200,000 and a hard cap of $2 million. Let's surprise them. Let's rally around. Tell our friends, our loved ones, our investors to come and invest in this project because this is an amazing project. Let me tell you one thing. The two basic things this private sale will do for us. Once you buy this private sale, be a part of the private sale. You can buy this private sale and then you stake it. Once you stake it, you are going to get more of the coins. Number two, of the token. Number two, this private sale is going to help management to develop more of our use cases that will bring more demand on our token. In turn, that will make the price of our WITTY token go high. So the success of our private sale, it is very important and has a direct bearing on the value of our token and our use cases. So please, in as much as you will be the end benefit of this private sale, it is also going to help the project at large. So it's a win-win situation. You do a private sale, you get the coin at a cheap price, you take it and get more of the token, and then the money will be also used to develop our other use cases, which in turn would demand the token and make the price go high for you. So once you take part in this private sale, you have done yourself a whole lot of good. You have secured your financial future forever. I've secured your financial future forever. So if you are asking where you are going to get the token to stake, then I have told you that there's a private sale coming very, very soon in the month of September. So you take part and then you stake your token because the token is already small in supply on the exchanges. It is very, very difficult for you to say you're going to get a token worth $10,000 on the exchange. No, you cannot buy a token worth $10,000 on the exchange. And if you want to buy a token worth $10,000 as an exchange, I can tell you eventually you're going to buy one for $2,000. Because let's say one is selling at $10, but the person selling $10 might be selling only 10. The next price will be $15. The next price will be maybe 18, 20. It goes high up to $2,000 for one. So if you want $10,000, you buy some at $10, $12, $15, $13. Eventually, you buy one at $2,000. That will add up to make the $10,000. And I can assure you, even it will not be up to $10,000. That is up on the exchange. So it is already short in supply. So take advantage of this private sale. Take advantage of this private sale. Tell everybody there's an opportunity coming, so they should come on board and take advantage of this private sale. Now, let's move on with our staking platform. Now, this also has a referral commission. So with a referral commission, your first level, if you have somebody that staked 1,000 tokens, you get 50 tokens. If you have a second level, somebody that's take 1,000 tokens, you get 30 tokens. You have a third level, somebody that's take 1,000 tokens, you're going to get 20 tokens. That is 5% on the first level, 3% on the second level, 2% on third level. That is 10% in total that you earn. Now, somebody might stake his token, and then in the next few days or months, the person will see the WITTY token going to the moon on a bull run. And so the person will say, whoa, I bought it at maybe $15, $20. It is now around $200. Let me terminate my contract and then go and sell my token and make money and go away. Now, that would defeat the purpose of the staking platform. And so we will not allow that. But if you insist on doing that, there is a condition to it. The condition is that if you want to take your token in the first 3 months of staking, then you will have to pay a penalty of 50% of your token, because it will defeat the purpose of the staking platform. And number two, you would have taken advantage of us by getting rewards being given to you already. So you will forfeit 50% of your WITTY tokens. If you take it within the fourth month and the 8th month, you are going to forfeit or pay a penalty of 30% of your token. And if you take or terminate it within the 9th month and the 11th month, then you are going to pay a penalty of 20% of your token. So you decide. But if you wait till the whole 12 months, you are going to withdraw 100% of your token plus a full 100% of the rewards that are to be given to you. That is amazing, amazing. So imagine if you take $10,000, let's say it's 1,000 tokens. At the end of the year, you have 2,620 tokens. If it is running, if management has achieved their target of getting one token to $1,000, you are gone and gone for good. You have pushed yourself into the millions. My brothers and sisters, fellow Wittitians, fellow millionaires, fellow billionaires, nobody is going to do it for you. You have to do it yourself. If you want to be successful in anything, it is very easy to ask somebody to do it for you, but it is best to always do it yourself. You have to take action and do it yourself. If you cannot get enough money to buy the token yourself, a lot of token, and take it, please just refer a whole lot of people to take part in the private sale and let them take it and earn from the commissions, and then so that you can get more to stake. That is how it is, as simple as ABCD. This is an opportunity to become financially free. Now, let's move on quickly to our other use cases. We have crypto remittance platform, we have crypto lending platform, we have crypto payment gateway system, then we have WITTY Fund. Quickly, the crypto remittance platform is a platform where users of our peer-to-peer exchange can have an European bank account to their names. Now, let me tell you, for quite some time now, there has been a difficulty of exchanging crypto to fiat, and that has been a gap between crypto and fiat. Banking institutions until now didn't want to associate themselves with cryptocurrency, and so there are some countries you cannot transfer cryptocurrency, or you cannot even use your Visa card to buy cryptocurrency because banks don't support cryptocurrency. And so getting cryptocurrencies in fiat is difficult, has been difficult until now. And so it is amazing, and it is a sound news that WITTY Token has a platform that will be added, or that will be added to our peer-to-peer platform, that will allow users to change their WITTY tokens or any token or cryptocurrency they bought on our WITTY peer-to-peer platform, and then exchange it into euro or pound, and then transfer it into any bank account anywhere in the world. So in simple terms, it is like directly transferring your cryptocurrency into any bank account you want. That is how simple it is. And this is how it works. You know that in Africa, in this part of the world, we have lots of traders that import lots of things from China, from Asia and Europe and America and a whole lot. But they find it difficult transferring money. Sometimes it takes a lot of days. Sometimes too, their charges are very high. It goes as high as 7% of whatever they are sending. And so it is difficult for people. They spend a whole lot of money. There are sometimes they even don't get the dollar to buy. So they will have the money in their hand, and it is difficult for them to get the dollar to buy, to send to their suppliers, for them to send them their goods. So this is a solution for those people, traders like that. Now, in the world, people are paid for solving problems. And so when you go and tell a supplier this solution for his problem and he joins on our platform and buys, imagine you have 10, 15, or 20 people who import or send maybe $50,000 outside every month to their suppliers. You have 20 people sending $50,000 outside. It will be round about $1 million every month. Now, when they buy that cryptocurrency, remember they will pay fees, and they are your direct referrals. So whatever fees they are paying, you are earning money from it. That is passive income. You do the business once, and then you earn it every month, as long as they are trading on our platform. Let's go to the payment gateway system. It's a system that will allow people that has websites on the internet that does not accept crypto payments yet. So on the face, they will accept it to be shown that they are accepting cryptocurrency, and so people that has cryptocurrency will be channeled towards their website, because they know that they can use their own cryptocurrency to buy goods and services from that website. Now, you go and tell somebody about this, and the person will say, "Oh, I don't want to have anything to do with cryptocurrency. It's too volatile." That is where our crypto remittance platform comes in. You tell them they can exchange into fiat currency, into euro or pound, the moment the transaction is made. And I think they will love that even more, because if a seller sells in this part of the world and he's an importer, once he sells, he wants to use his money to buy dollar. And then there's always a shortage in the dollar, and then also the price also goes up. Maybe they know the dollar is 1 cedi. By the time they get there, it's now 1 cedi, 20 pesos. So they will need a lot of cedis to buy the same quantity of dollar. So if you tell them that the person buys and they can exchange that cryptocurrency into fiat, which is euro or pound, at that particular point in time, everybody who is having an online presence will want that. Because number one, it will drive traffic to his website, because it's accepting cryptocurrency. So people that has cryptocurrency will find it friendly to trade on that website. And then number two, he's also going to save a lot of money, because he can exchange it into euro and pound and send it directly to his suppliers. It's going to save him money. Not only money, it's going to save the person time also. So it is amazing. Now let's move on to our crypto lending platform. Our crypto lending platform is amazing. Management thinks about this, and they have so much in-depth understanding of the blockchain, so much so that they know that people in the WITTY project know the value of WITTY. So at a time, you might be in dire need of funds, but all that you have in your funds is your WITTY. So people will be tempted to sell their WITTY, but it will be difficult for them, because they know that the WITTY token will gain value in the next few months. So they wouldn't want to go do away with their WITTY. So this is an opportunity for them. It's a platform where you can get a loan by using your WITTY token as a collateral. So what it is that, for example, if you have to buy something worth $50,000 and it's very urgent, and then you have WITTY token, which is worth maybe $75,000 or $100,000. But you definitely know that some few months down the line, that same amount of WITTY is going to worth $1 million. You wouldn't want to sell it at $75,000 or $100,000. You'd want to wait. So this is a system that will give you an opportunity to come and put your WITTY token as a collateral, and then you take the $50,000 in USDT and go and use it for whatever you want. Then you'll be paying interest on it small every month. And then when you have the money, $50,000 in total, you come and put it down and then take your WITTY token. Can you imagine by the time you count for your WITTY token, it might be worth $1 million, but not $100,000 again. So you save your WITTY token, and then you were able to do that which you needed the money for without selling your WITTY token. So this is an amazing opportunity. And all these use cases also have effect on the token price because it is going to create shortage. It is going to minimize the number of the WITTY token on the exchanges for sale. And so the price will go up. So the tokenomics and our ecosystem put together is going to make a great deal for us. Now we have WITTY Fund. WITTY Fund is a fund put together where people, the management will allow people to bring about their own ideas. After we have exhausted these 6 use cases, and then management will allow people to bring on board their own ideas, and management will take all the ideas into consideration, and then the community will vote which one is best for us, and then the management will choose to develop that project. When the management develop that project or that particular use case, you, the person that introduced the idea to the management, you have a stake in that use case. So management will want our developers to be always developing. So if you have an amazing idea, please put it on paper, write it down, keep it. Whenever management tells us it's time for you to bring your ideas, then you present your idea. Who knows, your idea will be the first idea will be picked and developed, and that you have a stake in that particular use case. As I've told you before, the WITTY project is by the community and for the community. It is amazing opportunity. You can't afford to miss this opportunity. If you are here for the very first time and hearing this, you should ask the person that gave you this link that how do you start? How do you start? You can't afford to miss it. Please let me re-emphasize it once again. You don't have to be a member of this community without owning a large chunk of WITTY token. There's going to be a private sale in the month of September. Get ready, organize yourself, and buy some. And after buying, please, I will admonish you to stake it for the price to go high and then for you to get more of the tokens too. That is amazing. Now, keep sharing our link, and then don't forget, if you want to chat any of our facilitators, please go onto our Facebook page or our Telegram page, and then you'll find their telephone numbers, and please chat them only, no calls, chats only. When you chat them, they'll be more than happy to help you with any problem you have. If you want to get started, they will get you started. Now, thank you very much for joining us. But let me tell you one thing. Today might be the first time of hearing anything about cryptocurrency. Now, one amazing man who is a billionaire said, if somebody offers you an amazing opportunity like the WITTY project, but you are not sure how you can do it, you don't know anything, you don't know an iota of thing about cryptocurrency, he advises you from experience that say yes. From all that I've told you, if it sounds very good to you, say yes to this opportunity today. And then we have videos in our WITTY Club that will show you step by step about cryptocurrency and how you can go about getting profits and everything, or joining our WITTY community. So you will learn how to do it by joining our WITTY Club. Now, you are seeing this today. This opportunity is presented to you. A year by this time, the WITTY token might be worth maybe $1,000 or even more. I can foresee it will go more than $1,000 a year by this time. That is my own perception. I can foresee it going more than $1,000. Now, don't bite your finger a year by now. Take part of this opportunity. Take advantage of this private sale and take advantage of this opportunity now. Get into this WITTY opportunity or WITTY project today. One thing success loves is that success loves speed. And one enemy of success is procrastination. Don't tell yourself you call somebody tomorrow, or the person that gave you the link, you contact him tomorrow. You might forget. Contact him immediately, the presentation. In fact, contact the person now. Contact the person now. Don't tell yourself you do it tomorrow. You do it in the morning. You do it tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. No. Procrastination is a thief of time. It will take away your time. You will forget what you are supposed to do. You will forget what you are supposed to do, and you will miss the opportunity forever. So, one writer said, a year from now, you wish you had started today. Don't bite your finger and say, I wish I had started on the 31st of August when I first heard this. Or I wish I had bought some of the tokens in September when they were doing the private sale. Don't do that. Do yourself a favor. You can only be the person that will make yourself a millionaire or a billionaire. You can only be the person that can help yourself to be successful. This is an opportunity, a vehicle for you. Just enter into the vehicle and make yourself proud. A year from now, you'll be proud that you took this opportunity, and then you do yourself proud. Thank you very much. Please contact the person who invited you on this presentation and tell him and ask him how you can join the Witty Club today. Thank you. God bless you for joining us today. It's amazing having you with us. God bless you. Join the Witty Club, the success team. Be a Wittitian today. Bye-bye from here. My name is Ebenezer Opni. Good night.